And a big blow to the centre. The Supreme Court has formed an expert committee to look into allegations of unauthorized surveillance using the Pegasus software. A three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, and comprising Justices Surya Kant and Hima Kohli passed the order. In fact, the expert panel will be supervised by retired Supreme Court Judge Justice R.V. Ravindran. The Apex Court has also had some scathing observation to make against the centre, slamming it for its vague reply, rejecting its limited affidavit, telling the government that the state doesn't have a free pass to snoop every time an issue of national security is brought about. In fact, adding a word of caution for petitioners, saying that right to privacy is sacrosanct but has some limitations. International media earlier reported that over 300 verified mobile phone numbers, including 2 ministers, over 40 journalists, 3 opposition leaders, activists, and 1 sitting judge were on the potential list of targets for hacking through an Israeli software. Let me cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us more on that. Anisha, a big takeaway here with the Supreme Court hearing the petition on the Snoopgate scandal says no government has a free pass. Such allegations have been made, must be probed, and it's strict. You know, freedom of speech is sacrosanct. Take us through the nuances of the verdict.
Well, first of all, Nabila, the big questions that have been asked by the Apex Court, setting aside the objections that were raised by the centre. Remember, the central government had said that we cannot give you any details of the surveillance and the software and the process that is used by the government because it is a national security concern. The court has very clearly said that the spectre of national security cannot be used as a free pass. And more importantly, the court has set down 6 questions as part of the terms of reference that this committee will be looking into. And I'm reading this out here from the judgment. The committee will inquire, investigate and determine whether the Pegasus suite of spyware was used on phones or other devices of citizens of India to access stored data, eavesdrop or for any purposes. The details of victims and persons affected by such a spyware attack, what steps have been taken by the centre after reports were published in 2019. The court has specifically asked for a report on this, that what has been done since 2019 after the reports had come out about hacking of WhatsApp accounts. Whether the government or any central or state agency has acquired the Pegasus spyware suite at any point. This is a very important question that has been asked. Again, the court has also asked, has any governmental agency used Pegasus suite software on the citizens of this country? And if so, under what law, rule, guideline, protocol or procedure was such a software deployed? Next, the question that has been asked is that has any domestic entity or person used this software on the citizens of this country, and how was such a use authorized? These are very, very important questions that the court has now asked an expert committee report on. And remember, this is an expert committee headed by a retired
Is there a deadline to which the expert committee will have to file a report on this? Anisha, any deadline that's been set on a report for this?
Well, the court has simply said that we need this report expeditiously. However, the matter itself will be heard now in 8 weeks. So we should get some answer as to what the committee has done in the 8 weeks after this matter is now is taken up on the next time. What is also important is that this committee has been given the power to summon any officer, ask questions of any government agency, sitting or retired officer.
Excellent.
To answer its questions. It has also been left free to create its own procedure for the probe. So Anisha, a lot of things will now
thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here's the Supreme Court hearing the Pegasus Snoopgate scandal, saying that freedom of speech is, of course, important. Privacy is important. It is public right to privacy, and therefore a 6-member panel now to probe those charges of snooping.